Hello children, today let us study about Standard 8 Moral Science, Chapter 3, Don't Quit. So there is a golden words which says that every champion was once a contender that refused to give up. Children, what does this quote mean? This quote just means to say that for you to become a champion or a successful individual, you start to scratch and must not give up along the way. Champions are not born, they are made. Life is a constant struggle. You keep on trying to get what you want. However, sometimes you become frustrated and think in terms of surrendering or giving up. But children, giving up causes you to miss out the success. You never know how soon you might start seeing progress if you hang in there and give a little more time. Now, why should you not give up? It takes many efforts for one success. Instant success is a myth. Your success might matter more than you think it would. The most worthwhile things are not easy. You might not have tried the right thing yet. Or it must be the past does not determine your future. You have reached quite close to success. Children, in your lives, you should never lose your cool in adverse circumstances. You should think about your problems that come in your way. You should face them and not run away from them. You should take effective decisions which make you or help you to solve your problems. Keep in mind, if you work hard with determination, success just becomes a matter of time. With this, let us learn about a story that is a rope that inspired. Many years ago, there lived a king named Hemraj. He had only one son whom he loved dearly. He wanted his son to become exceptionally brilliant in all matters of state, politics, hunting, scriptures, etc. He wanted to become unparalleled in his abilities. So Hemraj sent his son Vadraj to Gurukul outside his kingdom. The Gurukul was run by a famous saint. Along with his many other disciples, Vadraj started gaining education from the Guru day and night. As time passed, the Guru realized that Vadraj was a slow learner. Whatever was taught, he understood it with great difficulty. Vadraj took a few days to complete what others completed in one day. Gradually, Vadraj started lagging behind in every activity in the Gurukul. The Guru observed him for nearly 1 year. Then one day he told Vadraj, "You are very slow and not doing well. I suggest you to go back to your kingdom." The words of the Guru hurt Vadraj. He decided to go back. He lost in his thoughts and Vadraj reached a well. He stopped there to drink some water. He saw that the wall of the well had a strange mark. On looking closely, he realized that the strange mark was caused due to the constant rubbing of the thin rope on the wall. He sat there and thought, if a thin rope can make such a deep impression on the brick wall, then why cannot I learn my lessons well? Vadraj decided not to give up. With a few determination, he went back to the Gurukul. He requested the Guru to give him one more chance. The Guru agreed to his request and gave him a time of 2 weeks. After 2 weeks, with strong will and determination, Vadraj started working hard at studies. He concentrated hard on studies. He focused on his lessons and learned them quite quickly. Very soon he became one of the best students of the Gurukul. The Guru also praised him for his commitment. After growing up, he became the first saint to work on Panini's Sanskrit grammar and wrote help guides in Sanskrit for the weak students. So students, you should always Be fully aware that if you run away from problems, you deny success for yourself. Different types of problems come in your way towards success. You have to negotiate with them and eventually win over them. You have to cope up with your stress and find out the ways which help you in solving your problems. You should take good decisions. You should not act in a foolish way. And always remember, running away from any problem only increases the distance from the solution. Thank you.